The three lads with us, we've got Cameron, Michael and Mark. They're level 2 students, which they're on week 5 of their training course. And we have Rose in the middle. Rose is our level 3 student, and she's been with us for how long ago? A year. So she helped me out in the kitchen with practical sessions, because it's more of a supervisory role, which is the level 3. At the moment we've got Cameron, who's building up the potato cake. He's putting sliced potato, which is done on the mandolin, sliced onion, again on the mandolin, and sliced carrots. We need to keep these really thin, obviously, so they can cook through the oven. We're putting herbs into the actual potato cake, which we've got rosemary, oregano, and a bit of garlic. So we'll build it right up and make sure it's very compact. After that, we'll put it through the oven with a bit of butter on the top, and that'll crisp it up and hopefully stay together in the ring, which it will do on a camera. Rose at the moment's doing the celeriac puree. Again, it's chopped up into small dice, put into the boiling pan. We boil it up first, season the water, get rid of the water, and then we blend it with cream and salt and pepper, and that's just left alone as it is, and then it sets. So we have that at the bottom of the lamp. The dessert, Chris?
Dessert, yeah, as you know, we've got Mark and Michael doing the desserts, lemon tart, vanilla scented clotted cream, fruit compote, like I said, pretty straightforward to make. We're making obviously everything from scratch, so we're using a sweet paste. As you can see, Michael started with the sweet paste. It's obviously fat and flour rubbing together. I think the measurements on this one are 100 grams of plain flour, 50 gram of butter, they've got 20 grams of sugar to that one. He's going to do a rubbing method with this. They're going to add 1 whole egg yolk to it to bind it together, but then put it in the fridge, cling film it, set it in the fridge, give it 10 or 15 minutes, take it out from the fridge, we'll roll it, we'll line the little pastry tarts, which you've got little cases. We'll then cook it, bake it blind, we'll seal it with a cartouche greaseproof paper, pack it down. I think we've got cubes of dried peas we've got today to pack it down with. Basically cook that so it stays a nice neutral colour, but it's cooked the way through. And then on the filling, I've got Mark, who's doing the actual lemon filling, which is fresh lemons. 2 lemons today or 1, Mark? Just 1 lemon today. I'm going to grate the zest from the lemon using the grater. Half the mix is going to go into the double cream to infuse it, which we'll put on the heat. The other half we're going to add to the actual Savion mix as such, which is the sugar, the egg, and obviously some more zest. Once we've scalded the milk and infused it, we'll then pass it onto the actual Savion mix, mix it together.